Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an
mengikung pa KSU mong yawan lang wan yung slokti lang magkung ki magka cockroach janata party but iba so namang chok mo ibala sa kan ha pang ni ha Delhi kumba la jan shibnai na marjungi ki students ni kung tang yawan lang ning ya museum Italy ki but ni amno ta government kan sarkar kan sakap moy ki jing dawa jungi ba katlo ka la kai ki kani ka jing puli jungi mo haba ka pista ka job ya ka jing start mo ta kani apan
शिक्षा है सबका अधिकार पेपर लीक नहीं चलेगा पेपर लीक नहीं चलेगा नीट में तो नहीं चलेगा नेट में भी नहीं चलेगा सीएनटी में नहीं चलेगा पुलिस कांस्टेबल में नहीं चलेगा पेपर लीक नहीं चलेगा धर्मेंद्र प्रधान इस्तीफा दो इस्तीफा तुमको देना होगा वरना रोज धरना होगा
Nagaliang jongka KSU ngawan hande begini kena banyak Kristian yang kena protest kabaladon berpakaian kena protest mentah jongki ni kena samla pulie baladon kumba shibnai te kum kaseng i ko wei nak nodam jong kaseng kadi banyadai ka pulie puthi ban penkiu ki kena samla kum ta ngas ngau kalong ka bakong san bat ka badan kam bangin mi shakmat hakum kini ki jat protest bangin Kristian kini kena kenam bakan waya lami ka jing pha ka pulie ka puthi na benta ka ri barakaway.
We are here standing in solidarity with the student protesters at Janpath today. In a democracy, it is a fundamental right to protest peacefully. So today we are here not just to disagree, but also to save democracy because it is our right to speak, to listen and to be heard. We also condemn the Delhi police brutality on the students here in Janpath yesterday.
Students, I would like to say that this situation is really distressing. Education should be a fundamental right of every child, of every citizen of India, and that is not the case right now. And I hope that the government will not turn back on the students and will do something for them. Yeah, thank you.